world! My name is Shelley Benhoff, and I'd like to welcome you to my course on getting started with Sitecore Helix from Pluralsight. This beginner-level course teaches you the basics of Sitecore ASP.NET web development using Helix architecture. Throughout this course, you will build a sample website as you code along with me, and you can also use it as a reference for your own development. This course covers everything you need to know to get up to speed quickly. You will learn how to set up a local Sitecore development environment, install Sitecore, and build a dynamically driven web page using Helix architecture with content managed in Sitecore. You will build a Sitecore MVC Visual Studio project using Helix from scratch. You will see how Sitecore combines content with presentation to produce the final web page using layouts, renderings, and data templates. And finally, we'll review some learning resources to help you continue your studies in Sitecore development. By the end of this course, you will know the basics you need to get started building your own Sitecore implementations using Helix architecture. I hope you'll join me on this journey through getting started with Sitecore Helix from Pluralsight.